Alright, so here we are again. This is the 1990 Dodge Ramcharger project. Just going to update you guys on how I'm doing this quick little video. And basically what I did was I just got some black paint, kind of just the regular stuff. There's really good Krylon, kind of extreme everything type of paint. That's what I've been using. And then I blacked these out, and then I just took some Walmart paints, like 99 cents, and it's just the blue, and I spent like another couple bucks on paint brushes, and then I just hand painted these. So you can kind of see the three different stages. They started out as the regular kind of plastic gray kind of look, and then my color scheme is going to be old Mopar blue and black. So this is the one that I'm currently working on. You can see I did the letters. It's not too bad because you can just kind of follow that raised edge. There's one that's actually painted. I got to clean it up. Now that I got it in the sunlight, I can actually see some spots I missed that I'm going to have to go back over with black. Not a big deal. It's pretty easy. And then this is the front emblem that you can see, and I got a couple coats of clear on it, and I'm going to put 2 or 3 more. It's nice though because it really brings out the dark blue in it versus like if you look at this one. This one, the blue is kind of a little bit lighter, not what I'm going for. It's a little bit darker. That's kind of what I'm looking for. So works out perfect. Stay tuned and get the rig painted, and then subscribe to my channel and you'll be able to check out more. See ya.